Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you all the available support options in Quoterite. Once you access the system, you will find a support section at the bottom of the home page. This will give you all the information you need on how to contact us, including your phone number and email addresses. You may contact the technical support team via chat, email, and phone call if you have any technical issues or you need assistance with some functionality in the system. For any product-related queries and requests, including price list updates, our dedicated product support team is available via email and chat. Emails sent to the corresponding teams will automatically create a service ticket in our customer service system. Support hours are also available on our homepage depending on your location. We cater to clients in Australia, United States, and United Kingdom. Outside of these hours, all emergency support is available. To reach us via chat, go to the top right section of Quoterite and click on the question mark to message us with your concerns. Apart from all this, we have helpful guides in Quoterite, which you can access by clicking on the orange information button found all across the system. One example is from the quotes page. So once you're in here and you click the orange button, this will show you some general and helpful functions when coding. Lastly, the trainers will provide a link to the training videos you can watch for your convenience. Furthermore, tip sheets are provided by trainers and will be on the training video page. I hope you find this insightful. Feel free to let us know anytime you need assistance from us. Thanks!